Alright, on the board, you'll see that we have a couple of equations. I want y'all to try to do that by yourself as your bell ringer for 3 minutes. It says solve each equation mentally. So all you're going to do is subtract the numbers that are alike on each side and find out what x equals. So I'll let y'all go at it.
Hey, Mr. Bunker, what was your day today?
It's great. It's great. How about yours?
Mr. Brock, I need help.
What's up?
Can you help me on this one? I don't understand.
Yeah. Okay, you got 2 3s, right? You're going to subtract the 3 on each side, and you're going to be left with negative 1/2 equals n.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Mr. Brock, I need help.
Alright, I got it. On what? Your voice is getting me. Okay, you got minus 25 on each side, right? So you're going to be left with negative n equals negative 100. And then you're going to have to divide by that negative sign. It'll give you n equals 100.
I can help you out. I can tell you that I can help you out. Mr. Brock,
One and 2 are on the board, just in case you need any help. I'm going to give y'all 1 more minute to do them both.
Mr. Rock, did I get it right?
Yes, you do. Good job.
Thank you.
This is really easy.
Hey, it is easy. Okay. Now, we got, what do we do each time? What do you notice?
That was subtracting.
We're subtracting? Okay. And what else do you notice about these equations? They all have what? And, okay, they all have the same number in them, right? So we subtract and then it cancels out. But for the second and the fourth one, what do we notice? Negative signs, right? So what do we have to do when we have a negative sign to get it equal?
Can I show my going?
Yeah. Simplify it, right? We just make it regular. Good job. Okay, this next one, this big old columns, right? We have 2 big columns. It wants you to look at them. One's in quadratic form, that's the one on the left, and the other is in non-standard form. It wants you to, for number 1, to figure out what the differences are and write them down. So I'll give y'all 2 minutes to do that.
You said 10.
2.
Mr. Brock, I need help.
What you got? What's some things you notice? Okay, you can write that. What do you notice about these? They got the what? The exponents, right? The legs. What'd you notice, Andy?
That, it can't be simplified and, it has, x2.
Correct. No one told me that today. That's the smartest answer I've heard all day. Can't be simplified. Okay? And also, they have what? You said x2s? Or exponents, right? So they got exponents, and then the other ones have parentheses. So we'll write P-A-R-E-N-T-H-E-S-I-S. Okay? Good job, good job. Alright, this next one says, for each expression, write an equivalent expression in standard form. So show your reasoning. So all we're doing is we're doing the FOIL method, right? We're multiplying all that's in the parentheses times the other things that are in the parentheses. So we got 2x plus 5, and then we have x plus 1, right? Alright, we're going to multiply that 2x times the x first, and then times the 1. So that's going to leave us with 2x squared plus 2x. And then we're going to do the same but with the 5. So we got plus 5x plus 5. Now we could leave it like that, but that's not simplified. We have to combine these two. So we got 2x squared plus 7x plus 5. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. We got one more, okay? Y'all do number 2 by yourself using any factorizations you would like. Did y'all notice anything about the answer that's weird?
Yes, sir.
What'd you notice?
It got like I got everything, but it got plus and minus.
Okay. What'd you get into?
I got x2 subtract 4.
Right. Okay. So what happened with those two x's?
You said what happened?
Yeah, what happened? You take them off, right? Because one's negative, one's a positive, right? Good job, good job. Last question. Okay, these are just like the ones we've been doing on the other side. Bless you. We got number 1. I'm gonna do it a different method, okay? This is what they want you to use in the curriculum. It's called the box method. So we're gonna do x, minus 1, and 4. I'm just taking all those numbers from number 1 and putting them here. When they meet together in these little boxes, it gives us our answer. So we got negative x, we got 4x, and then we got negative 4. And from there, we can combine these two, and we can just draw it out. So we got x squared plus 3x minus 4.
That's complicated.
It is kind of complicated, right? You like the other way better?
Yeah.
It's been mixed reviews today. Y'all try number 2 by yourself. See if y'all get the right answer. Be the last one. Anyone finished yet? Yeah, I can check it out. Rice is small.
That's like x4 and 2.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Can you check my
Good job.
receipt?
Yep. Close. Check the board. Okay. So what we do is we're going to multiply them all out. We're going to use the FOIL again. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Then we got 2x times negative 1, which is just 2x, negative 2x. Then we're going to do the same, but with these numbers, this negative 1. So we got negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is what? It's a negative times a negative. Is it a positive? Right. Okay. So we got these together, right? But we need to get rid of these two because this is extra fluff. We got to put them together. So we end up with 6x squared minus 5x plus 1.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. All right. Yeah, you did it right. All right, we're good to go.